Good morning, students. Today we can discuss a new topic, strategic business units, SBUs. SBU is relatively autonomous division of a large company that operates as an independent enterprise with responsibility for a particular range of products or activities. That is, in business, a strategic business unit, that is SBU, is a business unit within a larger corporation, or it may be a business into itself or a branch. And corporations may be composed of multiple SBUs, each of which is responsible for its own profitability. These strategic business units are responsible for their own profit or loss but are answerable to the top management. The concept of strategic business units was developed by General Electric USA to manage its multiple purpose business. SBU is a profit center which focuses on a particular product and or market segments. SBUs typically have a discrete marketing plan, analysis of competition, and marketing campaign, even though they may be a part of a larger business entity. General Electric is an example of a company with this sort of business organization. SBUs are able to affect most factors which influence their performance. It's managed as separate businesses. They are responsible to a parent corporation. And General Electric has 49 SBUs. Companies today often use the word segmentation or division when referring to SBUs or an aggregation of SBUs that share such commonalities. So, SBU is any part of a business organization which is treated separately for strategic management purpose. So, we can say that each SBU is a profit center, and financial controls are more vital for evaluating the performance of each SBUs. Divisions within each SBUs share product or market competencies to develop economies of scale. Then let us discuss the factors determining the success of an SBU. Firstly, the degree of autonomy given to each SBU manager. What are the role of an SBU manager or an executive? He helping in managing a diversified company. That is, each business is having or each SBU is having a clearly defined product market segment and adopt a unique strategy. And here the managers are considered as chief executive of that particular business unit, and they are responsible for formulation and implementation of strategies of their own business unit. And there can be separate management board in order to review the performance of each profit centers. The next factor is the degree to which an SBU shares functional programs and facilities with the other SBUs. That is, the divisions within each SBU share product or market competencies to develop the economies. And how often they share the functional programs and facilities each other, up to that level, their success depend upon up to that degree of sharing, or that is the integration between the cooperation, that is within divisions of SBUs, is very effective for the success of SBU. And nextly, the manner in which the corporation is because of new changes in the market. Whether the corporation is able to cope up with the new changes or the new technological changes or any other changes, then the SBU can also adopt such a changes, or they can adopt new strategies for facing such a challenges. So next is, what are the advantages of strategic business units? Firstly, it establishes coordination between divisions which have common strategic interest. This is one of the major advantage. Establishes coordination between the divisions. That is, each SBU is functioning as a separate unit and they have their own vision and direction, but there must be a coordination in between the divisions. Next is SBUs establish accountability for different business units, and it facilitates competition between SBUs within a firm. Why this competition? That is, each SBUs gets due recognition for its performance. A well-performing SBUs are awarded with additional resources by the corporation. And so, a focused customer segment enables an SBU to identify the needs and wants of the customers, which in the end improves the customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is an essential element in the competitive world. So, by focusing the customer segments, the SBUs enables SBUs to identify the needs and wants of the customers. And so, finally, it encourages innovation in product and market development activities. These are the various advantages of SBUs. So, we can conclude that a strategic business unit, which is popularly known as SBU, is a fully functional unit of a business that has its own vision and direction. And one of the best example for these companies is Gamble, LG, etc. That is, these companies have different product categories under one roof. And the main feature of strategic business units are they are present in the organizational structure. SBU has divisional structure, which is determined by the size of production, technology and research activities, financial and accounting processes, and marketing activities. So, SBU is a business unit within a larger corporation, or it may be a business into itself or a branch. Clear? This is all about SBU, strategic business unit. Okay, thank you.